Want to watch free local channels on your Samsung Smart TV without a cable or satellite subscription? In this video, I'll show you the correct way to do it, step by step. Step 1. Connect the antenna. Look at the back of your TV for a port labeled ANT in or RF in. Insert the coaxial antenna cable into that port and make sure it's firmly connected. For the best signal, place the antenna near a window or in an elevated spot. Step 2. Switch the source to TV. Press the home button on your remote, go to Source, and select TV. This step is very important. The broadcasting menu will only appear when the source is set to TV. Step 3. Open Settings. On 2025 Samsung TVs, press Home, then go to Settings, All Settings, General, and Privacy. Note: on older models, the path is Menu Broadcasting Auto Program. Step 4. Start the auto scan. Select Broadcasting, then tap Auto Program or Auto Tuning depending on your region. Press Start and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Choose your signal type. The TV will ask you to select a signal type. Choose Air if you're using an over-the-air antenna, Cable if you're connected to cable, both to scan for both at the same time. Warning: do not use Auto Program if your TV is connected to a separate cable or satellite box. Step 6. Wait for the scan to finish. Your TV will begin searching for available channels. This process may take 5 to 15 minutes. Do not disconnect the antenna while the scan is running. Step 7. Browse your channels. Once the scan is complete, close the window. You can now use the CH+, CH- buttons to flip through channels or open the guide to view the full program schedule. Bonus tip: if the signal is weak or you didn't find all the channels, move the antenna to a different location and run the scan again. And whenever you add a new antenna, you can always go back to Auto Program to refresh your channel list. That's the latest way to watch local channels on your Samsung Smart TV, completely free, no subscription needed. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.